Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Finnhub API. First, you will need to visit the Finnhub website to obtain your free API key. This key is essential for authenticating your requests. Next, install the Finnhub Python client library using a simple pip command in your terminal. Finally, initialize the client in your code by passing your unique API key. This setup process typically takes only a few minutes, allowing you to quickly begin fetching valuable financial data. Once set up, you can easily retrieve real-time stock quotes for thousands of ticker symbols, getting instant price information. Beyond just quotes, the API allows you to access detailed company profiles, including industry, market capitalization, and other key financial metrics. For the most up-to-the-second information, consider using Finnhub's WebSocket feature. This enables you to stream live market data directly to your application, ensuring you always have the freshest data at your fingertips for informed decisions. The Finnhub API provides extensive fundamental data for companies across various global markets. You can easily fetch crucial financial statements, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, offering deep insights into a company's health. Furthermore, stay informed with the latest market news, including articles and press releases, often accompanied by sentiment analysis. This comprehensive data empowers you to conduct thorough research and make well-rounded investment decisions with confidence. Beyond basic data, Finnhub offers advanced features like technical analysis indicators, helping you identify trends and patterns. When integrating the API, always implement robust error handling to manage unexpected responses and ensure your application remains stable. Also, be mindful of rate limits. Finnhub typically allows 60 requests per minute for free users. For even more extensive data and higher limits, explore their premium data offerings, which provide enhanced insights and greater flexibility for professional use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.